Hi, I am Polo. I will conduct a virtual assessment in order to help you make decisions about seeking appropriate medical care. Before we get started, how old are you? What is your gender? Male or female? Right. Now, tell me what you feel. Is your stomach pain severe? Have you consumed more than 7,500 milligrams of acetaminophen or paracetamol in any form or combination, for example tablets, capsules, syrups, in the prior 24 hours? Please stand on your toes and drop hard onto your heels. Does that hurt your stomach? Is your stomach pain in the right lower part of your abdomen? Has your stomach pain lasted less than 2 days? Have you recently had any trauma or physical injury? Do you have a fever? Is your stomach pain in the right upper part of your abdomen? Have you been vomiting? Have you been feeling less hungry lately? Have you been feeling nauseous? Is your skin pale? Have you been sweating more than usual? Do you feel confused or disorientated? Do you feel like you don't know where you are, when you are, or who you are? Has your skin turned yellow? The reported evidence appears serious and the patient should go to an emergency department. If the patient can't get to the nearest emergency department, should call an ambulance.